I have actor Sanjana Galrani joining me on the broadcast. And Sanjana Galrani, what's your take on this? Crass comments? Is this an overreaction, the way our political leaders are reacting, the way civil society is reacting? Or is it time to bring in some maryada, some restrictions?
So, देखिए, I'm a very broad-minded person, very well educated. I endorse comedy. I endorse dark comedy. चलो एक हद तक तो in some movies you have some vulgar jokes which you just laugh off and you forget it in the theater and you come back home. That is also fine. Let's even consider like there are songs like Beedi Jalaile Jigar Se Piya. It is vulgar. But at the end of the day, you see it in the theater, you forget it and you come back. But this particular person has crossed all the limits of grossness, disgustingness, patheticness, or I don't know which other word to find. How can you talk about your parents' intimate life? And how can you talk about a threesome with your parents? This is like disgusting, and this is definitely not comedy. This is a very well planned controversy. The very fact that you and I are sitting and talking about it in India today, I didn't even know that there's a show called India's Got Latent. This is the first time in my life I'm getting to know there's a show called India's Got Latent, which is a replica of some Hollywood show, some Hollywood format. And let me tell you, I'm not a very big fan of social media influencers. So I knew this gentleman as Beer Biceps. I have nothing personal against him. I don't even know who he is. But because of this controversy, now I know him as Ranveer Allahabadia. मुझे इनका नाम तक नहीं पता है. तो
No, but
इन्होंने जो
what should
plan
happen?
किया था,
Should there be action? Should there be legal action, penal action? Or just a
definitely there
reprimand, a
should
rap
be
on the
a
knuckles is enough?
What happens is now Ranveer Allahabadia has done something like this and it has really disgusted everyone and he has hit the national, international headlines. So now another influencer should not think, everything is about views today. Everything is about how many million views you have reached and that's all matters, irrespective of some people are removing their clothes or they're stripping or they're doing anything nasty. लोग आज कुछ भी किसी भी हद तक गिर रहे हैं just for the sake of views. And this is one such situation. This is one such show where people are talking gross so that India's Got Latent becomes really, really viral. People who don't see India's Got Latent also go and see, ये है क्या, देखो और भी episodes और कितनी गंदगी है इसमें. Let's go and explore it kind of a thing. Let's go and explore the dirt and get
So time for regulations,
So
you
this
say?
should not
Time to
be
bring in some
forgiven.
regulations.
This should not be forgiven very easily. Of course, he has apologized. I have a heart as a human. I want him to be forgiven. But at the same time, you should set a small example at least by abiding him legally with some kind of a penalization or penalty where, it should be like, yaar, aise baat mat karo. Otherwise, you will really have to be legally answerable. I'm not telling you go hang him. I'm not being very eccentric and telling you go shoot him, kill him, because it's not that kind of a crime.
No,
but at the
absolutely
same
not.
time, he definitely should be penalized. Otherwise, other influencers in the road, they'll be like, let us plan our controversy now to make national headlines. May it be a good
That's a
national
very
headline.
interesting take that all of this is being done. The intention is to make headlines and get more views. So should there be legal action? Should there be punitive action? We'll be tracking that story very closely. Sanjana Galrani for joining me here on India Today. Many thanks.